Did you know you can know who's calling your Samsung Z Fold 8 without even looking at the screen? Here's how to set a custom ringtone for any contact on your Z Fold 8 and Fold 8 Ultra. Open the phone app to your device. Select the contact from the list you want to set ringtone for that individual contact. Tap I button on the screen. Tap 3 vertical dots, More, in the bottom. Tap on Change Ringtone option. 2 options available here. Tap on the ringtone. Choose a ringtone from the default audio tones to your Samsung Z Fold 8 Ultra. Tap on plus icon in the top right corner to choose Downloaded Ringtone or audio file from your phone. At the bottom, choose Folders tab. Tap on Samsung. Choose a ringtone and tap Done. Selected ringtone automatically added to custom ringtone on Samsung Z Fold 8 and Fold 8 Ultra. Have you set a custom ringtone for any contact on Samsung Z Fold 8 yet?